10 legendary vintage Harleys for sale. Ultra rare WL, Knucklehead, Panhead, Shovelhead, and more. Number 1. 1942 Harley-Davidson WL, $22,500. The 1942 Harley-Davidson WL is a war-era flathead that carries the soul of the 1940s in every bolt and every heartbeat of its engine. Restored a decade ago, but ridden only 300 miles since, it still feels untouched by time, like a relic waiting for the right hands to bring it back into the sunlight. 1 or 2 kicks is all it takes for this machine to awaken, proving that true craftsmanship never fades. On the road, it delivers that unmistakable Harley flathead thump, steady and confident, as if reminding you that legends don't age, they endure. This isn't just a vintage motorcycle, it's a living symbol of American resilience, preserved for those who understand the weight of history behind a set of handlebars. Number 2. 1958 Harley-Davidson Flathead 45-inch. This 1958 Flathead 45 is a charming blend of simplicity and soul, a machine built for those who appreciate raw mechanical honesty. With a 3-speed transmission and reverse, it hints at its original purpose, ready for a future sidecar or for cruising with old-school swagger. It starts easily, shifts smoothly, and carries an irresistible vintage aura that only a late 50s Harley can deliver. The G-code Cervicar engine makes this bike even more collectible, giving it that working-class heritage and unmistakable personality. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a miniature time machine dressed in classic blue, perfect for anyone who wants the joy of riding something adorably vintage, exactly as the seller describes it. Number 3. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $7,300. Old school, raw, unfiltered. This 1980 Shovelhead doesn't beg for attention, it demands it. Kickstart only, built for riders who enjoy the ritual and the rebellion. 1 stomp, 1 breath, and the engine roars awake like a beast that's been waiting for decades. Simple, rugged, and brutally honest, the way a shovel should be. Number 4. 1995 Harley-Davidson FLSTS Springer, $8,995. Black, chrome, drag pipes, and classic Springer lines, this 95 FLSTS has attitude written all over it. A lapera seat and highway pegs give it comfort, but don't be mistaken, this bike is here to make noise, not excuses. A clean, sharp, unmistakably Harley machine, and the seller's message is clear. Yes, it's still available. Don't waste his time. Number 5. 1947 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, $55,000. A true 1947 Knucklehead is a crown jewel of vintage Harley-Davidson history, and this one is fully OEM, fully restored, and fully alive. Upgraded to a 72-inch motor with only 600 miles, it remains a 1-kick bike, a rare and glorious badge of honor in the world of antique American motorcycles. With only minor blemishes, this machine stands proudly as one of the cleanest Knucklehead examples on the market. Every ride feels like a ceremonial awakening of Harley's most sacred engine design. The sound is not noise, it's heritage. The 1947 EL is raw, iconic, and untouchably desirable, the kind of bike collectors chase for decades. This isn't a motorcycle purchase, it's a lifetime acquisition. Number 6. 1976 Harley-Davidson FLH, $5,500. A one-family machine since 1976, born in California's sun, now in Missouri, this FLH carries nearly half a century of loyalty. Rebuilt engine and transmission, wide glide front end, dovetail rear fender, matching numbers, this is an honest shovelhead that still kicks, still roars, and still refuses to retire. A rare survivor from a disappearing era. Number 7. 1997 Harley-Davidson Dyna Convertible, $9,200. This is not your average 97 Dyna, far from it. Nearly every part has been changed, upgraded, or rebuilt. About 9,200 miles on the frame, only around 1,500 on the fresh engine. A true rider's machine, built not for show, but for performance. The primary cover is off for a new clutch and fluid refresh, but once assembled, this blue Dyna will be a street weapon. Number 8. 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,500. A project waiting for the right hands. Not currently running, but previously restored with plenty of upgrades. The bones are good, the potential is obvious, and the price is unbeatable. For the right builder, this isn't a bike, it's an opportunity. Number 9. 1990 Harley-Davidson Springer, $5,950. One owner, 40,000 miles, lifetime of service records. This 1990 Springer has been loved, cared for, and kept alive with precision. Twisted spoke wheels, Corbin seat, leather bags, and fresh fluids after a complete inspection. A black beauty that rides as good as it looks. Clean title, clean history, clean soul. Number 10. 1959 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $13,500. This 1959 Panhead is a beautifully aged classic that blends vintage feel with functional upgrades. With dual glide suspension, hand shift, foot clutch, disc brakes, and an S&S carb, it delivers the best of both worlds, authentic Panhead personality with rider-friendly improvements. It runs strong and stands proud in red paint. It's the type of machine that brings smiles before the engine even fires. Whether for cruising back roads or serving as the centerpiece of a vintage collection, this Panhead is a rare opportunity to own true Harley-Davidson history without the sky-high price tag. These motorcycles aren't just machines, they're chapters of American history still roaring through time. Some restored, some weathered, all legendary in their own way. Whether you ride them or simply admire them, one thing is certain: Harley-Davidson's spirit lives on through every kickstart, every rumble, and every mile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with every rider who understands the meaning of real steel. Until the next episode, ride safe, stay loud, and keep the spirit of old iron alive.